Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about something very special. What does it take to become a high-performance athlete in bowling? This sport, although it might seem like a just fun, requires a lot of effort, discipline, and passion to reach the highest levels. So if you love bowling and dream of taking it to the next level, this video is for you. Step 1, technique and training. The first step to becoming a high-performance athlete in bowling is mastering your technique. This means perfecting your stance, swing, and release. Work with a qualified coaches, record your sessions, analyze your movements, and above all, be consistent in your practice. Remember, it's not just about throwing strikes. You need to learn to read the lanes, adjust your equipment, and adapt to any oil condition. A good training routine includes practicing regularly and between 4 and 5 times a week, specific drills like working on your precision zone or learning to play different lines or angles. And of course, lots of patience. Step 2, physical and mental preparation. Bowling is not just a sport of precision. It also requires physical and mental preparation. Physical condition. Keep your body in a good shape with strength, stability, and flexibility exercises. A well-prepared body will help you maintain control and avoid injuries. Mental strength. The real secret of champions: learn to handle pressure, stay focused on bounce back from bad shots or bad games. Techniques like visualization, meditation, and even working with a sports psychologist can make a huge difference. Remember, in bowling, the key isn't just winning, but being consistent under any circumstances. Step 3, competitions and experience. To reach the highest level, you need to compete. Sign up for local, nationals, and even international tournaments. Each competition will teach you something new, from how to adapt to different conditions to managing your emotions against tough opponents. Also, take advantage of this experience to build your network in bowling world. Meet other athletes, coaches, and sponsors who can help you go with you in your journey. Never forget to maintain a professional attitude in this sport. Being disciplined and respectful to your peers and the game is just as important as throwing strikes. Becoming a high-performance athlete is not an easy path, but I assure you it's worth it. Bowling not only challenges you, but also teaches you discipline, perseverance, and passion. If you have a dream, go for it. I hope this video has inspired you and given you a clear idea of what it takes to succeed in this amazing sport. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and leave in these comments what other topics you would like us to explore on this channel. See you in the next one.